Congratulations on clearing your CA examination. In case you haven't cleared your CA examination, don't worry, stay focused. You will clear it soon. In case you require any of our help, our contact details is given in the description box. You can contact us and we will surely help you out. Are you a CA, CS, CMA student, or you have cleared your CA, CS, CMA program? Then this video is definitely for you. This video talk about career for CA, CS, CMA in SAP. Why? SAP is so important in the career of CA, CS, and CMA. Most of the students have not done their articleship properly. That's why they require skill set in their CV to get placed. And SAP is very important skill set to get placed in MNC. So let's start. What is SAP? SAP is an accounting software. SAP stands for System, Application and Product. It is a leading ERP software and provides a unified platform that allows business process integration. So what is business process integration? Like there are various processes in a business, like finance, controlling, HR, material management, sales distribution, payroll. All these processes are integrated in a system that is SAP. So SAP is developed by SAP AG, a German software company. CA, CS or CM, it is very relevant to learn SAP because it will open door for your placement in multinational company. As many Fortune 500 companies, they are using SAP as their software. So let's start. You all must be thinking, why? Why SAP as a career and what are the opportunity in SAP? So many of the leading big four, such as PwC, Deloitte, KPMG, they are hiring CA, CMA as a SAP consultant. Moreover, since you people are having a very good finance background, that's why it is very relevant for you people to learn SAP because it is very easy for you people to do internal stat or cost audit using SAP as a software. Because many organizations they are working in SAP. Moreover, if you want to work as a tax consultant, then also it is very relevant to learn SAP. Now, what are the SAP functional modules? FICO, HR, others. FICO consists of finance and controlling. So as a CA, CS or CMA, this part, this FICO module is very relevant for you because you people are from finance, accounts, taxation, cost, compliance background. That's why this module will provide you an insight in case you do internal stat, taxation audit, or any other audit. As this module will provide an insight into GL, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset. And it's also providing you an insight into controlling aspects. So especially if you are a cost accountant, then you can check the cost accountant module. That is profit center, cost operation, all these are covered in this module. And if you want to work as a material management consultant or sale distribution, so there are different modules in SAP for these aspects. So SAP is a software which is integrating various business processes as I earlier said. Now, let us talk about your role in SAP. So first of all, finance and controlling. FICO covers financial accounting, management accounting, financial reporting, accounts receivable, accounts payable. So you can work as an implementer, as a consultant. You can customize as per the requirement of your client. Moreover, in material management, you can contribute to optimize procurement process, improving inventory control. In taxation, and payroll, the role of CS CMA is very relevant. Why it is so relevant? Because it helps to handle taxation modules. Okay, so you can help organization in automating their tax and payroll processes. You can help them to calculate tax properly. So it is very relevant for you people to learn SAP. Now, you all must be thinking that in SAP, what we will be learning. So in SAP, your role will be as a consultant, as an end user, or as an auditor who will go to big organization to audit. And like Big Four, they are hiring SAP consultant. So your role as a consultant is very relevant. So here we will be teaching you SAP consultant as well as and user part. What SAP consultant is all about? It is about definition of company, creating company code, defining business area, fiscal year, vendor control, posting control, standard report, financial report, all these things will be covered so that wherever you go, you can easily implement SAP in that organization. It will help to kickstart your career as a SAP consultant. If you are looking your career as an auditor or as an end user who do end-to-end processing like procure to pay process, invoice processing, vendor reconciliation, order to cash, billing invoice generation, customer statement, record to report, general accounting, prepaid amortization, all these things will be covered in this thing. Now, only SAP knowledge is not relevant. You are required to learn advanced Excel as well, because as an auditor or as an employee of that organization, you will be handling large amount of data. For large amount of data, amounts reporting, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, charts, text to column, conditional formatting, all these aspects will be playing a very important role. So in this course, we will be providing you with the recorded videos of all these, plus live classes of SAP. So you can resolve your queries, plus you can easily crack the interview because we will help you out on how to crack an SAP interview. What is the fees? You all must be thinking, what is the fees relating to this course of SAP consultant as well as end user? It is only 6,000 rupees as compared to other institute. We are charging very less and the training will be provided by chartered accountant. That is very relevant because chartered accountant is having industry knowledge. He is having that practice to tell you what industry exactly want from you. So if you are applying GS Prime code, then it will be only 5,000 rupees for a limited time. In case you want to upgrade your skills, you want a career in SAP or you want to do audit properly in an organization, you want to open the door for multinational organization, then this is for you. You can go in the description box and you can contact us directly. We will help you out. We will tell you how to prepare for an interview, how to crack your interview. So it's very relevant for you to join this course. Don't worry, we'll help you out in all the respect and don't be late. We are there to help you out. Thank you so much, guys.